Hi guys, I'm Hamza Sat working as a DevOps engineer at DevOps. I have expertise in Linux, cloud computing, and DevOps implementation. Today we are going to learn how to take an encrypted backup by using Duplicity and GPG. First of all, what is Duplicity? Duplicity is a software utility that's helped to take an encrypted backup using PGP and GPG key that creates digital sign, version, local, and remote backup for files and folders. Duplicity also supports many protocols like SSH, SCP, FTP, and you can also take backups from Dropbox, Amazon, and Google Docs, and many more. There are some prerequisites for this tutorial. You need a dedicated server, backup server, and root privileges to perform this task. We have performed this task on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. These encryptions help you to secure your backup in case of data breach or hacking attempt. This encrypted backup can't be restored without GPG key and its passphrase. First, we will check that Duplicity utility is installed in your system or not. If not, then you can install it by using this command. First, we have to generate the GPG key and remember the passphrase that you will enter at the time of creation of the key. We have a Linux backup server on AWS where we will transfer our encrypted backups. We are going to encrypt and backup these files to our backup server. After the creation of the key, we will check key is created or not. Now we will take an encrypted backup using the key which we have created. It will take some time to backup data depending on the size of the backup. After backup, we can verify that all the data which has been backed up are there or not. Now, if we want to restore the data back to local server, we need a GPG key and its passphrase. We can restore the data by using this command. As you can see, the files has been restored on our restore directory.